In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off sleep mode, also known as quiet mode, on Instagram for iPhone and Android. Sleep mode is a built-in Instagram setting that mutes notifications during a time window you choose. It's great for blocking distractions at night, but if you're missing alerts during the day or your schedule has changed, you can switch it off in just a moment. This process is the same on both Android and iPhone as long as you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. From the home screen, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, look to the top right and tap the three-line menu icon to open your settings and options. From the menu, choose Notifications. This is where Instagram groups all alert-related settings. Inside Notifications, look for the option labeled Quiet Mode or Sleep Mode. The name may vary slightly depending on your region or app version, but it refers to the same feature that silences notifications on a schedule. Open that option and you'll see a switch that turns sleep mode on or off. Simply toggle the switch off. When you do, you're telling Instagram to stop automatically muting notifications during your set sleep times. In most cases, Instagram saves your change right away, but it's a good habit to tap the back button to exit the screen, which confirms your settings have been updated. After turning it off, you'll receive Instagram notifications as usual, unless you come back and enable sleep mode again. Keep in mind that if your account is registered as a teen account, sleep mode might be enabled by default and may require parental approval to change. If you see a notice about permissions, follow the prompts or check with a parent or guardian. If notifications still don't appear after you've turned off sleep mode, the issue might be outside Instagram. Check your device's notification settings to make sure Instagram is allowed to send alerts, and review any focus or do not disturb modes that could still be active. Those system features can silence notifications even when Instagram itself is set to allow them. That's all you need to do. This method works the same way on both Android and iPhone with the latest Instagram updates. If this walkthrough helped you get your notifications back, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, practical Instagram tips and tutorials.